1, 2, 3.
Get your goggles on.
We've arrived.
Come on, let's go.
This is what we're tuned in for.
New series, Celebrity Gogglebox, Fridays at 9 on 4.
Passing maths class without the usage of AI. Rick and Morty are doing things the old-fashioned way at 1 a.m. Now, though, a different kind of maths class, where instead of counting apples, you're instead counting how many rounds it takes to kill a preschool teacher. Be prepared for very strong language, adult humor, scenes of animated violence, sexual references, scenes of a sexual nature, and scenes that some viewers may find scary from the start and throughout. And that isn't even doing it justice. Helluva Boss on E4.
I was a good person before it all went down. I was...
Yeah, fuck that family.
If you have ever wondered what the term amusement stands for in amusement park, rest assured, as it definitely isn't this. There's very strong language, adult humor, scenes of animated violence, sexual references, scenes of a sexual nature, and scenes that some viewers may find scary from the start and throughout now on E4, as Helluva Boss continues.
That's better. Where is Blitzy? He's my knight in shining armor, not you littler ones.
He's busy being a fool.
What kind of fool?
The everything is now on fire kind.
It's coming.
And there's more Helluva Boss same time next Wednesday. And you've seen the bad side of hell, so why not stay with us and see the slightly better side? Although they still do swear, hence the slightly. Hazbin Hotel is next.
I have never felt the way that you make me feel.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, not much. How are you?
I'm doing good. By the way, did you do something different? You look like a little bit, something's different.
Yes, I did. I finally got the eye surgery that I always wanted to get. Yeah, my eyes always bothered me, so got them changed.
Wow, I had no idea that you were ever insecure about that.
I was, yeah, deeply.
Really? That's so crazy to me because I always thought your eyes were like the most iconic part of your look, besides the hair. It was like, oh, one eye's big, one eye's small, sort of a thing.
Why didn't you ever say that?
Why? I don't know. I didn't think I had to say that. I don't know.
So do you think the surgery was a bad idea?
I mean, is there anything that you could do to, like, possibly reverse?
No, it's stuck like this forever.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't...
It's all right.
Rick attempts to solve Morty's problems by solving a minor problem before solving a major problem, while the minor problem becomes a more major problem. You know, just a normal episode in half an hour's time. First, slightly later than build, proof that second chances always work. Well, unless you're in Hell or ITV. There's very strong language, adult humour, sexual references, and scenes of a sexual nature, which justifies my slightly better comment from 2 minutes ago. Hazbin Hotel on E4.
Hotel Trivago.
Being a lawyer is like being a doctor.
You mean how you don't get emotional about the client?
No, I mean you keep pressing until it hurts.
Take notes, I'm not gonna repeat myself.
It's time for you to decide. Are you with me or not?
I do not respond to threats. I make them.
That's the difference between us. You want to lose small, I want to win big.
People just don't like that he's right all the time.
You think I like it? Sometimes I'd like to hang out with people who aren't that bright, just to see how the other half lives.
We expect results.
Maybe you really are as good as they say.
I thought it'd be cruel not to let you witness my greatness.
Suits. Stream all episodes now on 4OD.
Hello? Hello?
Pull a stunt like this again!
They say that video killed the radio star, but switch the roles around and things can get complicated real quickly. Hazbin Hotel is back next Wednesday morning at 12:30, right after Helluva Boss at midnight. Going to a different type of hell next tonight. Although Rick and Morty should probably be keeping more of an eye on the dog. You just never know.
Bento.
My chosen family, they love me whatever. And that shed is full of people, Danny, who have chosen you. So please, choose them.
I love you, Yemi.
Of course you do, I'm incredible.
Are you guys watching Laser Hunters?
Why is everybody at the station addicted to it?
Yeah, it's so cheesy.
Oh, get over yourselves. The show is a cultural phenomenon. It's ending next week. Give it a chance.
Maybe we can give it a shot. Ooh. That was really good.
Dude, we gotta catch up before the finale next week.
If you have ever thought that you were too clever to work, you're either Will or someone with a massive ego. Double in-betweeners in half an hour's time after the episode of Rick and Morty that Channel 4 interrupted on Friday just to build up to Jax's abstraction. Sorry if this is how you found out. There's strong language, adult humour and scenes of animated violence as E4 finds out who let the dogs out.